Hey, figured I'd just give a tutorial of how I'm making these wall panels, like those and those over there. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on it. Not that you guys can't figure it out on yourself, but there may be some people out there who have questions. So anyhow, here we go. I'm actually going to make one or two for you, so you can see how I'm doing it. I got the one here up already, and what I did was I squared it with this track right here. I just squared it with the track, and then once that's mounted, I have two pieces of wood here that I'm putting behind there with glue on them. And that's what the other two panels or three panels are gonna mount to. So what I do is I just stick the screw in the bit, or in the, yeah, on the bit, slide this in between, and just hold it there with my hand. I'll level it as best I can. Put the next one on. Do the same thing. Get it to where I want it. I don't have to hold behind it, because once the screw goes through, the block of wood hits the insulation and won't go any further back. And then, from there, I just put the other boards on. The board isn't going to be that tall when it's done. It's going to be cut off right here. All these are going to be all cut off right here at the edge of this furring strip. And these boards are not going to stay this ugly. Matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do on that is I'm going to slide those braces out a little bit further, so I can put one more piece of wood on there. Alright, so another one goes up. This way I have enough board left to put the other one on. Not going to be much to catch on to. And then, what I do, last thing I do, is I put two more screws in on top and bottom of the last board, so that way it holds it to the wall, so they glue properly. They're glued the way I want them to stay glued. And then tomorrow morning I'll come out, dismount these, and but one more thing I'll do before I'm done here right now is I'm looking for my knife. Got a knife here, different kind of knife, box opener. So what I do here to get it marked properly, I lay this up here and get this thing, the square level with the furring strip that it's mounted to, the wood's mounted to. So with any luck, when I pull this down, I have a good mark to follow. Alright, that's it, guys. That's all I do. Let it dry in the morning, take them off, take the screws out, take the mount screws out, take these screws out permanently, and then cut the top off and sand them. So that's it. So if you like this this video, please subscribe, like or dislike, and share.